Let's close out this module with a recap of the key takeaways. We started out by discussing the product manager's role during the build phase. Although product managers aren't the ones actually building the functionality, they are still responsible for ensuring effective execution, often coming back to the question, does what's being built align with the overall product strategy, and will it provide value to users? Next, we focused on the product manager's partnership with engineering and product design, and that together the three functions form what's referred to as the product trio. During the build phase, product managers work with engineers to prioritize what gets built and make sure it aligns with the vision and requirements they've set. Product managers also help break development work into incremental delivery and milestones. For example, using an epic that turns a project into smaller components that can be shipped incrementally. You also learned 5 best practices for working with engineers, including to communicate the why, be decisive, learn how engineers do their best work, clarify responsibilities, and invest in your relationship. When it comes to working with product designers, product managers need to clarify requirements, provide feedback, and serve as the bridge between design and other stakeholders. Product managers also work with designers on user story mapping, which is a visual method for outlining the work requirements that will achieve the best end user experience. You also learned 5 best practices for working with product designers, including to get a designer involved early, explain the reasoning behind decisions, respect their opinion, create ongoing feedback loops, and foster effective communication. Finally, we covered the product manager's role in getting buy-in on the roadmap and communicating the value of what's being built to various teams. The best approach is to create a single source of truth that teams can access on their own, or different versions of the roadmap for different stakeholders. Now let's recap some action items you can take to put these learnings into practice. Consider how you currently collaborate with engineering and product design. Is this collaboration effective? How might you improve communication or processes to create a better environment for building? Additionally, think about how you provide visibility into what's being built. Do you have a way to keep other teams and customers informed? If you don't, what can you do for your next release to increase visibility around the roadmap? Now that you've finished this module, you should be able to explain the product manager's role in the build phase, describe how product managers work with engineers and product designers, collaborate more effectively with engineering and product design, and increase alignment on the product roadmap.